This is the most accurate TradingView indicator for super profits. Check it out. This TradingView indicator isn't just another tool. This is the most accurate way to spot trends, measure their strength, and deliver precise trading signals. It's called Deviation Trend Profile, a game changer for traders chasing super profits. If you're tired of missing big moves or losing bad signals, this accurate indicator is your solution. In this video, I'll show you how it works, the settings to maximize its accuracy, and a full strategy that wins in any market. Okay, so let's break it down how to use this Deviation Trend Profile indicator and what's actually showing you. It's really straightforward once you get it. First off, go to TradingView and pull up any market you want to look at. I'm using a 15-minute time frame for Bitcoin against USDT. But honestly, this works on any market and any time frames. It's super flexible. Next, you'll want to click on Indicators and then just type in Deviation Trend Profile. Make sure you pick the one by Big Beluga. The Deviation Trend Profile indicator uses a simple moving average line, and when that line starts moving up or down really strongly, the indicator sees that as a new trend starting. What's cool is that the indicator itself actually changes color when trend shifts. It turns green for an uptrend and red for a downtrend. And you'll also see a little color circle pop up right when a trend changes direction, which is super handy. Now here's something else it shows you. Right next to the price candles, it creates the visual profile, almost like a bar graph. This profile shows you how often the price has actually closed within different zones, which are marked by lines like plus or minus 1, 2, or 3. These lines always have the same color, so they're easy to spot. If you see the profile getting really white and leaning towards the plus 2 or 3 zones, that tells you you've got a strong uptrend going up. On the flip side, if it's white and leaning toward the minus 2 or minus 3 zones, that's a strong downtrend. But if the profile is mostly staying between the minus 1 and plus 1 lines, that's usually a weaker signal, maybe indicating the market is just moving sideways. This helps you identify the most accurate market conditions. Alright, so based on all my testing, here are the best settings for the indicator. For the SMA length, 45 works great, seriously. No other changes are really needed there. It's pretty good right out of the box. And quick heads up before we dive in, risk management is hands down the most critical part of trading. If you're new to it or need a refresher, make sure to watch my deep dive risk management video right after this. Links in the description and popping up on the card right now. This is key protecting your profile. Now, how do we actually trade with this TradingView indicator? Well, there are two main ways that can be super profitable, but it does need a confirmation indicator. We're going to use something called CMACD custom indicator. So head back up to the indicators at top and in the search bar type in CMACD custom indicator. Make sure you select the one by Chris Moody. The MACD will work as an awesome momentum confirmation tool, but we need to tweak a few things. First, to help us to ignore those little market fluctuations, let's change the indicator's time frame to 1 or 2 time frames higher than your chart. Since we're on the 15-minute chart right now, change the MACD indicator to 30 minutes. Then change the MA types to SMA. After that, turn off the show circle because we don't need those. And in the style tab, we just want the histogram, so go ahead and disable the signal and MACD lines options. So when the MACD's histogram is above the zero level, so no matter what color it is, we call that bullish momentum. And when it's below the zero level, that's a bearish momentum. Simple, right? Now, how do we make some money with this combo for super profits? The first way is by using the color dots from our Deviation Trend Profile Indicator. Check out this example on the chart. The Deviation Trend Profile Indicator just pop up a red dot, meaning a bearish trend might be starting. Then, let's look at our CM-MACD indicator. Yep, the MACD is also showing bearish momentum, so this is a confirmed sell signal. And the exact opposite is true for a buy signal. Look at this trading example. The Deviation Trend Profile just generated a green circle. The MACD is showing bullish momentum. Bingo. That's a valid buy signal. But what happens if you see a red circle from the Deviation Trend Profile, meaning a sell signal, but the CM-MACD is showing green, a bullish momentum? Simple. Escape it. Or what if there's a green circle for a buy signal but MACD is showing bearish momentum? We skip those type of signals too. We only ever trade in line with the main trend and market momentum, never against it. This helps ensure you get the most accurate signals. And for the second method, we're going to use price crossovers. Whenever the price crossover the Deviation Trend Profile Indicator line and the MACD confirms bullish momentum, so we can open buy order. For a stop loss, I'd recommend putting it at the most recent swing low. And for your target, aiming for 2 hour is a good starting point for super profits. And of course, it's the same for a sell signal. When the price crosses the line downwards and the MACD confirms bearish momentum, then we have a confirmed sell signal. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Happy trading.